Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you a demo of painting this painting, which is titled Nearing Harvest. It's based on a photograph which I clicked in a village called Bugao near Pune. So stay tuned. My name is Mandar Marathe. I'm a fine artist and a sculptor, and I publish an art demo or an art tip video on every Friday. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you get notified every time I publish a new video. So here I start with a HB pencil and I'm drawing the big shapes of this landscape. As you can see, it's a farm scene. There's a distant mountain, there is a big tree on the left hand side. I'm now starting with the paint. I'm wetting the sky area and laying in some cobalt and ultramarine blue. And as I come down, I'm pre-wetting the area of the land and I'm laying in a thin wash of burnt sienna and throwing in some pure burnt sienna and yellow ochre. This will form the background colors for my land and farm, and then there is some green for the green grass, and here I am painting the distant mountain. Again, this is the same color which I had used for the sky, but in a thicker version of it. And now I am laying in the trees which are near the bottom of the mountain. And as you can see, this is much thicker and darker color. And I am doing it when the mountain color is still not very dry. So it won't give any crisp edges. Now I'm mixing a dark brown and laying in the details for the farm. And now some green for the grass growing on the roadside. I'm mixing different colors. I don't want the grass to look uniform green. So I'm throwing in some burnt sienna, some yellow ochre, some green, and now comes the road. It's again thin wash of yellow ochre, burnt sienna with some white areas left. Some very light indication of shadow on the distant farm. And now I'm coming in with a dark green color for the tree on the left hand side. And the tree trunks of the tall tree. There is a barn in the farm, and I'm indicating that very lightly. I don't want it to be a very important object in the painting, so I'm not creating too many darks in that. And here are some trees, one on the edge of the farm, another one in the farm, and one on the right hand side edge of the paper. And now what's remaining is indicating the shadows, and that's what I'm doing. So this is a gray color, and because I'm laying in thin washes, it's not going to look completely gray, but it's going to also reflect some color which is on the paper already, and some leaves for the tree. And I'm almost nearing the end of the painting. I've also indicated a shadow in the foreground, which is of a tree which is not seen in this painting, but it's there. and I've signed the painting and it's time to take the tape off. I hope you have liked this demonstration, and if you have any questions about this video, please let me know in the comments below. In addition to this channel, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest so that you don't miss out on anything that I post. All my social media links are given in the video description. So until next time, happy art making.